Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use rectangle and polygon command. Today learn here and AutoCAD all 2D command learn easily. So let's see what are the rectangle and polygon command you can see here and how to easily use in AutoCAD software. We want to create new sketch interface. Okay, okay. At first open AutoCAD software. Okay, okay. This is our AutoCAD software interface. Today you can see here. Today learn rectangle and polygon command. Means today rectangle and polygon command. So one by one learn here. First is rectangle. Okay, click here and rectangle. Okay, first is length is 120 and tab. Okay, and height is 90. Okay, this is a rectangle and also okay, rectangle, this point, click, and length is 130 and tab, height is 70. Okay, okay. And polygon is a polygon means a enter number of side is 6 is hexagon, but polygon is enter number 5 is. Okay, enter, and this point is a or inscribe in circle and subscribe in about circle. So inscribe in circle, then polygon is a and height is okay, okay, okay. Again a drawing a polygon and again a hexagon drawing is side is 6, then enter, then drawing a hexagon, inscribe. Okay, okay, this point is a hexagon, and again a drawing polygon, side is 5 and enter, then select a point, inscribe in circle. Okay, this point is a height, and again polygon, select 5 and okay, enter, point, select, and subscribe about circle is also draw here. Okay, this point is a this point. Okay, this point is a this, and difference subscribe in circle and inscribe subscribe in about circle and subscribe in circle is polygon is draw here. Okay, and also mention a measurement and annotation. Okay, this point linear length, this is a okay, this point and this is a 20, and also this point and this point is a 90, also this point and this point is a 70, and this point is a 130, and this point is 82, and also measurement incline. Okay, inclined line is a this point and this point is a 82, and inclined line this point is a 82, all is same. Inclined line this point is 51, and this point of 51, and hexagon is a linear length. This point and this point is a 41, and this point incline, this point is a 41, and incline this point is a 41, and inclined angle this point and this point is a 180. Okay, 18, and angular this point and this point is a 60, 120. Okay, and angular this point and this point is a 90, and in linear this point and this point is a 45, and inclined this point and this point is 45, and angular is this point and this point is a 18. Okay, guys, AutoCAD lecture 8 is completed, and next lecture is AutoCAD lecture 9 is coming soon. Guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.